All right. So this is the science fart exam question for this week. So let's have a look at this. It says the diagram below shows how dolphins produce and receive sounds. So it has a really cool diagram of a dolphin. So it shows that there's nasal sacs, are these little things. The melon, sound waves are in and out, looks like. There's the jaw and then an inner ear. Interesting. Okay. Dolphins make sounds by blowing air through their nasal sacs. So they breathe air up here. Then these sounds travel into the water through the melon. So the nasal sacs travel into the water through the melon. An organ in the forehead. So it starts here, goes here. Then it says return. Oh, so then it's sent out that way. There it is. So nasal sacs through melon to water, to the melon through the water. Then it says returning sound waves, which is these arrows, are received through the jaw and then sent to the inner ear. The inner ear sound waves are then translated into nerve impulses somewhere in its body and sent to its brain, which I think might be over here somewhere. So, which model best is keyword, shows how dolphins use incoming sound waves? So it looks like we've got to figure out what happens when the sound waves come into the dolphin. Well, we can look at the chart, the diagram, but we can also read. So it says we have 4 options. So let's first just read through it. So it says returning sound waves. That's going to be the incoming sound waves. So the incoming sound waves is first. Then it says the returning sound waves are received through the jaw. So first it goes returning, and then the second is the jaw. And then they're sent to the inner ear, which is third. Right? And then in the inner ear, they're translated into nerve impulses in here and then sent to the brain in 4. So, well, I guess that would be 5 because the nerve impulses would be 4 and then the brain would be 5. So let's see. We had incoming sound waves. It looks like all of them have that first. The second one we had was the jaw. It looks like B is the only one with the jaw, but let's just make sure it matches everything else. So it says the sound waves come in, they go through the jaw, the inner ear, nerve impulses, and then to the brain. So B is the correct answer because it matches. Now, the incoming sound waves don't do nerve impulses and then the jaw because look, it literally tells you right in the text, right? It tells you what happens when, the sequence of events in the text. They're received through the jaw and then sent to the inner ear. So that has to be it, jaw to inner ear. Then there's nerve impulses and then they were sent to the brain. So then there's nerve impulses and then they're sent to the brain. So none of the other ones even come close to it. So letter B is the correct answer for this question.